Today I'm going to show you how to make this darling Christmas houses tumbler. This was a past designer box of mine. They are the original glitter and vinyl box, and I also have an option with pins as well. If you want more information on those, join my Diamonds and Dust Facebook group. Let's get started on the tutorial. We're going to cut out my brand new diamond frame template that's up on my website, and we are going to just place this on our tumbler. Since the diamond is on the sides, you will have no seam going down the back, so it will be a little bit different because you can't make a straight line on your tumbler because there's no straight edge. So what we're going to do is we're just going to line up the top with the top rim and tack some of it down. Once you get it all lined up, flip your template over and remove a little bit of the backing. It will then kind of rest on the tumbler, and you can just use a vinyl squeegee or your hand, whatever you're in the mood for. Today I'm going to use my hand, and just press really firmly in that crease, and the backing will naturally fold off. Once you get your template applied, go ahead and remove that transfer tape and grab some painter's tape. We are going to tape off our pattern vinyl around that diamond area. Take a paint color close to your glitter color and paint that diamond area. I had a little bit of a paint explosion, so I'm trying to wipe some of it off here, but you just need a decent amount of coverage depending on if your glitter is opaque or a little translucent. I'm going to be using the glitter Candlelight, and it's pretty opaque, so I'm just going to do kind of a messy base coat. Grab your favorite glitter glue. My current obsession is epoxy seal from Tumbler Epoxy, and we're just going to apply epoxy seal to that diamond area, and then we are going to apply our glitter. Look how freaking gorgeous this new color of mine is. Once again, it's called Candlelight. You can grab it in my shop with all the other products listed in this tutorial. Like I said, this is from a designer box. I was the first glitter and vinyl box on the market, and this is the OG box. It also comes with an option if you make pens as well. My new boxes will be releasing soon. If you want more information, make sure you join my free Diamonds and Dust Facebook group. Go ahead and remove your painter's tape, and we're going to let this section dry for just a little bit so we can move on to the next step. I'm going to grab some double-sided tape. This one is a little bit smaller than a 1/2 inch, and we're going to just kind of go around that diamond frame, but we're going to leave a little gap in between the tape and the glitter. are going to remove the cover sheet on that double-sided tape and take our next color, which is peppermint. It's a really cute red and white mix. It's darling for Christmas tumblers. And we're just going to apply it right on that double-sided tape. And what I like to do is gently burnish it in. I don't like it to be flat, but I want every surface of that tape to be covered. So I just lightly rub it with my finger. Now I'm going to take a little epoxy seal on my finger and just rub it on the vinyl around those little Christmas houses. While that's wet, we're going to take our green glitter called white pine and just sprinkle that on. I have also placed white pine on the base of my tumbler. Go ahead and seal your glitter sections on your tumbler and let it dry completely, and then add layers of epoxy until your tumbler is smooth. Now we are going to stripe out around the glitter diamond, and then we're going to also go around our stripes. For the diamond, I picked this kind of greenish opal color, and then around the peppermint, I just took some nail striping tape in silver and striped around those lines as well. And we're going to place our decal right in the center of that diamond. This one says, "'Tis the season to sparkle." This is one of my newest SVGs for my mentorship group. If you guys don't know what that is, I do exclusive tutorials over there. I do give you a discount to my shop, and I also give you at least 8 SVGs every single month that are free for you to use however you would like. I used glitter vinyl on this one, and it was kind of being a pain in the butt to weed. So as you can see, it looks like I have a big circle in the middle, but it does say "to sparkle." I just had to place it on first and then weed out the letters. I also have a link to my mentorship group down in the description if you want some more info. Take your tumbler back over to your turner and add your final layers of epoxy. And here is your tumbler all finished. I loved this designer box so much, maybe because it was a little untraditional with the cute holiday houses. If you guys like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe.